This is the Bago 25 litre packaway backpack, and in this video I'm going to get it out for you and let you know my thoughts. So to begin with, I can tell you this packs away really small. It's going to be great for taking away in your luggage on holiday or camping or that kind of thing where space is at a premium. This is the blue one. It's also available in pink and red. It's available for around £17 on Amazon, but if you hang around to the end of the video, I'll give you a 20% off voucher code. So let's get it out and see how it performs. So let's have a little look at this backpack. Starting on the front, you've got a pouch with a clip to tighten it. The pouch is springy, elasticated top with a mesh, and then just below of it is a nice sized pocket. Good for probably a phone or a wallet, that kind of thing. On the sides you've got mesh compartments again with an elasticated top. They'd be good for a water bottle or keeping your sun cream in or something like that. Around the back you've got the straps, not as padded as you would get from a regular backpack, but of course this is fold away, and I've actually found when wearing this it is really comfortable and really breathable material. It's like a mesh, which means you don't get sweaty or anything like that. At the bottom your standard adjustment to make it nice and tight on your shoulders. The material this bag is made out of is water resistant. It's not waterproof, but it's water resistant. And to be honest, it feels like it would really stand up to a really good shower. It's really nice, high quality material. The zip goes all the way down the side, and the opening is massive. I've got a cushion in here just to pad it out. If I take that out, the opening is huge. And the zips are really good quality. They zip really well without any snagging, and they feel really good. On the inside of the back is where the pocket sits. This is the pocket that it folds away back into, but this actually, because it's on the inside, creates a zippable pocket on the inside. So you can use that whilst it's a backpack to store little gubbins. As I said before, this is 25 litres, so loads of room in here for a day bag. Ideal if you're going out on holiday and you want to take a bag with you in your suitcase, that kind of thing. The bag itself is super lightweight, so you're not going to be adding any bulk to your baggage. You can take this with you on holiday or something like that. Really easy to carry. Straps are super comfortable, adjustable. Looks really good on the back. As I said, this is available in pink and red too, if you are that way inclined. Really comfortable on the shoulders. I used this bag for a couple of days going to work and carrying all my gubbins with me there, and it was really good. Didn't get any trouble with the straps or anything like that, so thumbs up on that front. Yeah, I'm really impressed. So the caveat with all these packaway things is getting them back in their bag, so let's give that a go. Right then, this is the first time I've attempted to put this back in its bag. I've been using it for a few days. Never put it back in its packaway form, so let's give it a go. Right, so I think the technique here is going to be fold the flap out, because this is the pocket where it comes in, and it's currently inside out. So what you need to do is fold up the bag so that it's underneath the pocket, like so. So then I've got the pocket on top of the folded up bag. Now I just need to kind of turn it inside out on itself. No way this is going to be as small as when it first came. I don't think it's going to be far off, just maybe not quite as flat. There you go guys, not far off. And there you have it. As I said at the beginning of the video, this is around £17 on Amazon. If you want a 20% discount, use the code BAGOFOLD20, I'll put it in the description below, along with the link, and you can get 20% discount. If you found this video useful, please hit subscribe down below to be notified of my latest videos, and I'll see you in the next one.